The following instructions for assembling your PEAK vise apply to both the C-clamp and the pedestal base styles. To set up your PEAK vise, carefully unpack all parts from the box and lay out on a flat surface. Next, screw the rotary tension screw into the brass body. Now place the complete vise assembly into the base, orient to desired position, and tighten the set screw in the base using the provided 1/8 inch Allen wrench. Only tighten the screw enough to hold the shaft rigidly in position. The screw in the base has a brass tip to prevent damaging the shaft. Now screw the bobbin holder clamp screw into the bobbin holder pivot. Slide this assembly along the vertical shaft to desired position. Then insert the bobbin cradle into the hole and slide to desired position. You are now ready to begin using your PEAK vise. Accessories for your vise can be purchased as well. A few items to consider are the D-arm, material clips, midge and saltwater jaws, the hex stacker, the RIT pick and brush, and a brass riser that will allow your vise to be raised from 1/2 inch to 1 3/4 from its original height. To get further information about PEAK products, visit us on the web at peakfishing.com or call 970-622-9601.